What is the full form of FWICE? The Indian film industry ranks among the biggest entertainment industries in the world and employs numerous artists, technical experts, writers, and other crew members. As stated by media and entertainment reports by the Government of India, the Indian entertainment industry keeps on growing rapidly, offering employment to lakhs of people through various mediums including cinema, television, and digital forms of entertainment. Various bodies perform their role in protecting and promoting the welfare of these individuals. Among the important bodies that play a significant role in helping film industry workers is FWICE. What is the full form of FWICE? The full form of FWICE is Federation of Western India Cine Employees. FWICE is the biggest trade union for the film industry in India, which represents all those involved in the entertainment industry. The Federation of Western India Cine Employees is located in Mumbai and it serves all those people who work in the Bollywood and entertainment industry. FWICE comprises more than 30 different crafts departments including cameraman, makeup man, editors, lightmen, dancers, junior artists, and spot boys. What is the definition of FWICE? FWICE is an umbrella organization which is representative of the cinema employees and laborers in the production of movies, televisions, and entertainment industry. The organization operates as an association which helps resolve professional matters and ensures protection of workers against any form of exploitation. In addition, the organization is responsible for discipline and coordination within the entertainment industry. FWICE ensures that workers earn good salaries, work in accordance with proper contract conditions, and operate in a secure environment. In recent years, the organization has become one of the most powerful organizations for the employees in India. What does FWICE do? FWICE protects the rights, salaries, and well-being of over 5 lakh people who work in relation to the movie and television industry. Besides, FWICE also lays down standards in terms of salaries, hours of work, and occupational health and safety standards for industry professionals. The association mediates conflicts between production houses, actors, and other employees. The organization may also have issue warnings of non-cooperation in case of rule violation. In addition to being an organization that defends the rights of workers, the organization also assists its members in medical, financial, and legal matters. What is the FWIC ban? An FWIC ban is an order of non-cooperation which is given by the organization against a person, a company, or a production house for breaching rules or agreements in the industry. Bans imposed by FWIC usually generate much discussion among entertainers since they may impact the filming process or the performance of the actors and actresses. The bans are normally associated with contract issues, breaking of rules, unpaid salaries, or conflict between industry members and organizations.